Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Wednesday morning, August 21st. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ESNNQ. So yesterday's volume turned out to be the fourth lightest of the year in SPY. Okay? In fact, in the last almost 2 years, fourth lightest. So again, the concern on this push higher with the lack of volume, considering we are very close to an all-time high in the ES, is something to consider. Yes, we can certainly hit an all-time high with volume this light. But again, we know it's being done by short-term traders and algos, so no real support from any intermediate or long-term players. We have spent the whole overnight inside of yesterday's B shape. Look at the overnight high, right near our afternoon rally high in ES, and pretty much the same in NQ. So very, very mechanical. Once again, we're 14 wide right now at our overnight POX righty. Remember, they held their double distribution day down yesterday. Their overnight got into the upper distribution, which doesn't fill it. It has to happen in regular trading. Right now, they're trading between the two distributions. You have VIX expiration this morning on the opening. And then more importantly, you do have Fed minutes at 2. Whether the market's going to crawl up to that point remains to be seen. And then again, you have Jackson Hole both tomorrow and Friday, with Powell, I believe, speaking Friday at 10. So, early game plan. Again, in the bigger picture, bears want to take out a daily low. Plain and simple. That is their main goal. Take out a daily low and put the daily back to balance. For the bulls, especially in ES, just to continue this grind up. Right? They have one more gap to take care of from July 17th, and then it's off to the all-time high. So that's their goal. NQ, same thing for the bears. Take out a daily low. For the bulls, get that overnight monthly high, and then continue up and start eating away at those destinations and targets from late July. As far as an intraday game plan, early, again, before the profile even starts to form. If the overnight high is here, and again, there's 70 minutes to go, so a lot of this can change. That's a great risk-reward short. You use the afternoon rally high as you're out, right, for both of them. If we were to pull back, same thing. You could use the overnight low to front run and use below that a couple of points as you're out, right? That's definitely something you would like to see. NQ, again, because I'm in fours, it's a little difficult to know exactly where value low is, but if you front run the overnight low, again, you could use value low from yesterday as you're out. Chart-wise, again, here we go. Just look at the daily, continuing to chug up. Chug along. Look at this. But again, the volume is just exhausting as there's less and less participants on the way up. So whether that means the short covering is coming to an end, whether that means momentum buyers sense that and are stepping back, it all remains to be seen. Thank you so much for liking and subscribing to this channel. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.